Most people treat reading as a linear, passive activity, starting at page 1 and finishing at the last, regardless of the book's actual value density. This is a failure of time architecture. Today, we install the speed reading protocol designed to turn your library into a high-throughput information pipeline. The first constraint to address is linear bias. You are not required to read every word. Most books are 20% high-value insight and 80% filler intended to justify the publication. Your goal is to isolate the 20%. Before opening the cover, perform a structural scan. Analyze the table of contents, the introduction, and the conclusion. Identify the specific system constraints you are trying to solve and scan for the sections that provide the corresponding technical solutions. Next, implement recursive input. Do not attempt to retain everything in one pass. Read for the high-level architecture first, then return for the technical implementation details. By layering your intake, you reduce cognitive load and increase retention. You are not memorizing text, you are extracting system blueprints. Finally, execute output verification. If you cannot summarize the book's core protocol and apply one of its principles within 24 hours, the reading session was an inefficient use of time. If a book does not provide a scalable solution for your life or business, discard it immediately. You are not collecting books, you are aggregating high-leverage data. Stop reading for entertainment or validation. Start reading for system optimization. When you master the speed reading protocol, you increase your knowledge throughput, allowing you to iterate your internal OS at a velocity your competition cannot match. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busywork. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.